Yes guys, welcome to Just How Do I Do It. In this video I'm going to show you how to update all your drivers on your PC, because if you don't update your drivers then things will go wrong, and obviously audio won't work and internet won't work, and obviously your graphics won't work. So, it is always good to keep them up to date, because if you don't keep them up to date, like I was saying, it can cause big problems, and you don't want big problems, because then just one driver being outdated could actually make your PC 10 times worse. Now, you want to make sure that it's all up to date, but you don't want to be going on the internet and typing in, oh, free driver updater and stuff like that, because it's all scams. You know, if you download it, it'll say you can download it, you know, it'll work, but then it'll say you'll have to pay for it to then update all these drivers. It'll say you've got like 150 drivers to update when you don't actually have 150 drivers to update. It's just how to get money out of you. Anyway, when you're on your PC, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, come to the search bar at the bottom and type in Device Manager. Once you've typed in that, you can then click on it. And this is the list of all your devices, obviously, that are in your PC, all your components and stuff. Now, the best thing to do is double click on them, so then you can open it. Right click on whichever one you want to update. Search automatically for drivers. You can obviously search on the internet for drivers if you really want to, but obviously Windows does actually have the drivers already on there, so you can just automatically install them. It makes it a lot easier. Now, obviously mine are updated, so it's not like I'm going to need to update these, but I'm just showing you on what you actually need to do. So, let's say you wanted to update your disk drives. You click on that, left click, and then right click, update driver, search for drivers, and it will come up saying it's already installed the best drivers if it has. Obviously, you've got your processor drivers as well in here. You've obviously your graphics drivers. That doesn't really matter, because obviously you'll obviously have another app for that, for your graphics card drivers. So that's something you don't really need to do. You obviously got security devices as well. You can update all these. But yeah, just make sure you don't accidentally click uninstall driver, because if you accidentally do that, then you'll have to install it again. Which isn't the end of the world. Obviously, the driver will still be stored inside Windows somewhere. So you just have to install driver. And as you can see, most of these are all just all these stuff here. You can also update all these drivers as well. And it's as simple as that. So yeah, make sure you keep all your drivers up to date to keep all your PC working as it should be to its full potential, because it's no good. You could have a really good PC, it could be a really expensive PC, but then if you don't update your drivers, it could just turn into a really cheap PC. Not that it turns into one, it's just that obviously it'll feel like a slower PC because the drivers aren't up to date. So make sure you do that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe as well, because obviously it does really help. It helps obviously make more videos like this, and obviously it keeps me coming and keeps me going, and it just keeps me making videos, and it's really good to do. So make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe, smash a like, comment below if I helped you, and that is everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.